In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Canon LBP 3000 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, please type for Canon LBP 3000 printer driver or printer and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'll be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the result which has support. Click on it, enter ph.canon, which is the official website for Canon printer. Click on it, and the moment you click on it, you would be navigated to this new page where you can see this printer driver. So please scroll down and navigate to this drop-down menu where you can select your operating system. Click on this down arrow key and you need to scroll down and locate for Windows 11. However, if Windows 11 is not available for this printer driver, you can select Windows 10 x64 because this Windows 10 x64 works well with Windows 11. So once you've set it, it will automatically search and it will have this result. Click on this link, and the moment you click on it, you would eventually can eventually download this printer driver. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. Once completed, please navigate to the top right corner. You can see there a download icon. Click on it, and it will show you the downloaded file. So click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that you need to do is while selecting it, please make a right click on this cut icon and close the windows being opened. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on the paste. So once you have pasted this file, all you need to do is you need to double tap to unzip or extract it, or either make a right click and then use the WinRAR tool if you have to extract this file. So go with WinRAR and go with extract to. The moment you've clicked in it, it will start the process. Please wait until any file folder would be created here at the desktop, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. So before we proceed to the installation, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. Okay, so by that you need to navigate to the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way or manner you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so here at the settings, please navigate to the left side and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Please click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, you will be able to bring up this section where here you need to scroll down and locate for printers and scanners. The moment you have seen this printers and scanners, you would be able to see this add device. Click on it. And the moment you've clicked on it, you will be able to reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, please click on add manually. And in a few seconds, you would be able to bring up a new window where you can find a printer by other options. So please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on the next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. And then you need to click on the next here. And then eventually you'd be able to see this option called have click on it and click on the browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there, scroll down and proceed to your extracted file, double tapped. Go with x64 since Windows 11 has x64 based PC. Proceed with the driver. So let me just click on this down arrow key and proceed to it and proceed to your driver. And then here you'd be able to see the driver file. Go with open and click on the OK. And eventually you'd be able to see our printer driver. Click on next. Go with next and it will now start the installation. So please wait until this process would be completed. Okay, so once done, you can now click on next. Click on finished and there you have that you have just successfully installed the Canon LBP 3000 printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.